got a story to tell about why hearing protection is important.
Well, it's important for everybody. I particularly am concerned about it because I had ear problems as a kid and had to have ear surgery several times. So I take it pretty seriously and wear some kind of ear protection for basically everything.
Virtually everything, yeah.
I like the idea of these SensGards because most of the other stuff I wear are big and heavy, and it's nice to have a variety of options for different things you do.
Yeah.
The heavy ones I have a radio in them, which is nice sometimes, but they're also really heavy and hot. A lot of times I'm just doing something pretty quick, you know, for a couple of minutes, and something like this makes a lot more sense. You know, you can keep it around your neck and just wear it. I'm Fisher, and I run Fisher Woodworking here in Prospect Harbor, Maine.